Oh, no, here's Marlin. Meow. Hey there. You got the longest whiskers I've ever seen on any cat. Are you hungry? Are you ready for eating? Let's eat. Mmm. Mmm. Yes, I know. Psst, Marlin. Hey, kitties. Hey, kitties. Willow. Meow. Psst. Psst. Yeah. Rub. Rub. Mmm. Ready for food? We got Whisker Lickens. Whisker Lickens. Whisker Lickens. Whisker Lickens. Meow. Psst. Want some more? Hey, cat. Psst. What? Psst. Willow. What are you doing up there? You're gonna fall. This cat does something amazing on the banister rail. He jumps up on the banister. Let's see if I can get him to jump up on the banister rail. Psst. Ah, there he is. There he is. Hey, kitty, kitty, kitty. Hey, kitty, kitty, kitty. You got the longest whiskers. I'm not sure what breed these cats are. They're Maine Coon or Tabbies with a little bit of Himalayan in them, I think. They're amazing little cats, though. They're brothers. Yeah, look up there. What's that noise? What is that noise? What's that noise? Psst. Make them look up. We like making them look up. It's funny when they look up. We don't know why. Ooh, this phone is ringing off the hook. Who could be calling here? That would drive me to drink. That phone ringing all the time.